Hi guys, welcome back. Did you know Windows has a hidden feature that can save your time and make your life easier? In this video, I'll show you 10 secret features that you'll use every day. Whether you're a student or professional or a gamer, these tips will change the way you use the PC. So, let's dive in. Okay guys, for the first feature we're going to virtual desktops. Ever feel like your desktop is cluttered with too many windows? Meet virtual desktops. This feature lets you create multiple desktops to organize your work, gaming or professional tasks. For example, you can have one desktop for work apps, another for gaming and a third for browsing. To use it, just press Win and tap and click to the new desktop. You can switch between desktop instantly, making multitasking a breeze, trust me. Once you start using this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Okay, for the second feature, we're going to learn how to use clipboard history. How many times have you copied something only to realize you needed the previous things you copied? With clipboard history, you can access everything you've copied recently. Just press Win and V to enable it. Now you can paste text, image, or even file from your clipboard history. It's like having a supercharged clipboard. This is a game changer for anyone who works with a lot of data or write frequently. Okay, next feature, it's night light. Staring at your screen at night can strain your eyes and mess with your sleep. That's where night lights come in. This feature reduces the blue light, giving your screen a warmer tone. For enable it, go to Setting, System, Display, and Night Lights. You can even schedule it to turn on automatically at sunset. Your eyes will thank you. We're going to learn how to use Storage Sense. Running out of disk space? Storage Sense is here to help. This feature automatically deletes temporary file and clear your recycle bin when your storage is low. Just go to Setting and System and then Storage and enable a Storage Sense and turn it, and you can even customize how often it's cleaned up. It's like having a personal assistant for your PC storage. Focus Assist. Distraction can ruin your productivity. Focus Assist blocks notifications so you can focus on work or gaming. Just go to Setting and System and then Focus Assist. And choose when you want. It's enabled like during meeting or while gaming. You'll be amazed at how much more you can get done without constant interruption. Dynamic lock. Ever walk away from your PC and forget to lock it? Dynamic lock solves that. Pair your phone via Bluetooth, then go to Setting, Account, and Sign In option, and enable dynamic lock. When you walk away from your PC, will automatically lock. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your data secure. Steps recorder. Need to show someone how to do something on your PC? Step recorder, record your screen and create a step-by-step guide. Just search for a step recorder in the Start menu and click Start Record. It's perfect for troubleshooting or creating tutorials. This little known tool is a lifesaver for tech support. GodMode. Want to access all Windows settings in one place? Meet GodMode. Create a new folder and rename it to the code that I put it in the description below. This unlocks a hidden control panel with every Windows setting imaginable. It's like having the ultimate power user toolkit. Quick access menu. Tired of digging through menu to find system tools? Press Windows and X to open the quick access menu. From here, you can access device manager, disk management, and more in just one click. It's a huge time saver for power users. And finally, for the last one, emoji panel. Want to add some fun to your message or document? Just press Win and the comma to open the emoji panel. You'll find the emoji, symbols, and even special characters. It's perfect for spicing up your text or adding flair to your work. And that's it. This 10 secret Windows feature can save your time, boost your productivity, and make your life easier. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.